Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to block the spam emails on Microsoft Outlook in 2026. Now this helps reducing the junk messages and keeps your inbox clean and safe. So without further delay, let's walk through it step by step. First of all, you need to open Outlook in your device. Over here, hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of inbox. In the inbox, you just have to find a spam email which you want to block. Once you have selected the email, you just have to simply right click on the email, and from the list simply hover over to the block option. When you go over here, you will see the option of block the sender or never block the sender. So since we want to block the spam emails, you just have to click on the option of block the sender. In order to also get access to this particular option, when you have opened the email, you can click on the three dots on the top right hand corner of the email. Here too you will see the option of block. So from here too you can block this email. You can also hover over to the report option and you can report the junk, the phishing, or you can also report a concern. So you can use any of these methods in order to basically block the spam emails on Microsoft Outlook. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.